okay? You can call me Professor Gabrielle, Professor Khan, doesn't matter, anything but Miss. Okay, just not Miss.
Not Miss.
Not Miss.
And Joe Gabrielle.
Professor Gabrielle is okay. Professor Gabrielle is okay. So this class is called English 82. By the end of today, you will know more about what we will be doing in this class, okay? But by now, you've had most of your other classes in the learning community, right? You've gone to health class,
Yes.
ESL,
Yes.
speech, tutoring, right? And today, you will be going to student development later. So you will learn more about that class as well. So my class is intended to bring all those classes together while talking about language. This class is called the Integrative Language Seminar. Okay, a seminar is like a class. Okay, you all know what language is, right? What does this word mean, integrative? Can somebody tell me what the word integrative means?
It's connected.
Yes?
Yes.
Tell me.
It's connected.
Connected, yes. And your name again is? Shakir. Yes, my class will be integrating, pulling together, connecting all of your other classes by looking and focusing on language. What language? Yes, the English language. I would love to learn about your languages, but unfortunately there's no time to have an in-depth exploration of your languages. But hopefully by looking at English, we will also be comparing a little bit, talking about your languages in English, how the structures and patterns may be different. Okay, so we will be looking specifically at language. What do I mean by language? Any ideas? When we talk about language, what structures might we talk about?
Speaking language.
Grammar, right? Yeah, that's one aspect of language. Other ideas?
Writing.
Yeah. Reading.
Writing.
Writing.
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
Spelling.
Spelling.
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation. Wow, you're getting it all, guys. Yeah? Yeah. So we cannot talk about one element, right? These are all connected, and these are all connected. So it's really a big job we have. Okay, big job. And hi. Over here. Join us. Yeah, so it's a big, big job, and we only have 12 weeks to do it. 2 hours a week for 12 weeks, so it's not much time. So we really need to focus, okay? We need to come to class on time and be really sharp and ready for 12 weeks. I know our class is on Friday morning. It's very, very early, and it's Friday. You're very tired by Friday because you have such a full schedule. But please do your best to have a lot of energy, come to class, be ready to work, okay? Any questions about this so far? No? Okay, good. Okay, so my objectives or goals for today are really primarily to get you to understand what we are going to do in this class, okay? What are my expectations, my goals, and what I hope that you learn from this class. We're also going to work a little bit on question formation. So you ask questions all the time, right? How do we form questions accurately? We're going to think a little bit about that today. Okay? We're also going to look at basic structural issues in English. How do we form sentences in English? Okay? So just kind of a quick review of that to introduce the grammar focus, which is the first item you mentioned on the list. And finally, we are going to do some writing, okay, which you also mentioned here. Okay, so I want to learn more about you today and get to know about how you learned English in the past, what worked for you, what didn't work for you so we can form this class together. Okay, maybe some things in your grammar classes were really strong, they helped you. Some things were not so good. So you can share that information with me. Okay? Anybody have an idea, what is free writing? What do you think free writing means?
No looks for the grammar, yes, correct grammar, the past or present, yeah.
Okay, so you'll be writing,
Right.
right? Very freely, very openly.
So
And,
you
yeah?
can't see the grammar. You just write only on your own. This is called free writing, right?
Yeah, you're writing your own, your thoughts, your thinking, not worrying about grammar, spelling, all right? We want your first draft, the first time you write, always to be about your ideas, your thinking. Get your thinking on the paper. Then later, we can focus on these ideas, grammars,